All right, guys, you're going to watch me find the central idea for the introduction. And so I'm going to be thinking of this question as I read. What does the author want us to know about Yeek per Beale? I'm asking myself this question because we do not have a subheading to go off of, and I know that he is the topic of our entire reading today. So I'm going to read, and as I read, I'm going to be thinking of this question, and then I'm going to answer it in my own words. Then you're going to watch me highlight a pop-out sentence that proves my thinking. So let's go ahead and get started. It says, Yeek per Beale is an Olympic runner. He is also a refugee. Refugees are people who leave their home country. They flee to escape war and other terrible problems. Many stay in refugee camps in other countries until they can find a permanent, safe place to live. There are about 65 million refugees in the world. Being a refugee is not easy, but it does not mean you are nothing, Beale says. As a child, Beale survived a dangerous war in South Sudan, a country in Africa. Now he is working to make children's lives better in refugee camps around the world. He is leading a project to improve sports facilities in these camps. That way, refugee children will have places to learn and play sports. So I'm thinking, what does the author want us to know about Yeek per Beale? I'm going to get my text box. I'm going to move it down here and adjust the size. And I'm going to say there's already a sentence starter, so the author wants me to know that I'm going to just shorten it. Beale is a refugee that wants to help others like him with sports. And so I believe that's what the author most wants me to know. And so now I need to go back and highlight some evidence, my pop-out sentence that proves my thinking. And so here I remember it saying he is leading a project to improve sports facilities in these camps. That way refugee children will have places to learn and play sports. And so I believe that these last two sentences in the introduction support that Beale is a refugee that wants to help others like him with sports. So you're going to now do this for other sections of this text.